What is going on, everybody? We're back here with another one. Yes, we're doing another macaroni and cheese recipe because that's what we do. So we're cooking this one. It's going to be a special on the BlackStone griddle. So we're going to do 1 stick worth of butter. Then we're going to add in a whole bunch of heavy cream. Now, I am making 2 videos out of this, guys. One's going to be just the macaroni and cheese, and the other one's going to be cheesesteaks, but the cheese that we're using right here, we're going to use that on the cheesesteaks too, so make sure you subscribe so you can see that video as well. Alright, so we're going to let that melt together. And guys, this is not no regular macaroni and cheese, boy. Check it out. We're doing smoked sausage macaroni and cheese. We got the noodles cooking inside. We got this going. That's melting. We're going to have these cooking up. Alright guys, we're going to make sure we whip this together to get that melting faster. Now we got our butter and cream all nice and boily. We're going to start adding our seasoning. So we're going to do paprika. Some onion powder, a little bit of pepper, salt, and last but not least, garlic powder. Garlic powder, that's always a win, baby. Alright, now we gotta mix this up really good. Cheese, because this thing is really boiling up. First, we got 2 cups of that triple cheddar. It's going to help this cool down. Going to add another 2 cups of that triple cheddar. And a whole bunch of that Kobe Jack, baby. I love my Kobe Jack. Alright guys, and we're also going to add a half block of that white cheddar. Now we're going to stir it all up. Be ready. It's all ready. Let's get some cheese action. You ready? Ooh, doggy. Look at that. And this is going to be for our cheesesteaks that are going to be in the other video we're going to be doing. And for this sausage, smoked sausage, macaroni and cheese, guys. Alright guys, we're going to add our noodles. We use the swirly noodles. Woo, doggy. We got a lot of noodles up in here. That's alright. They'll be alright. We'll do some mixing. Need some more utensils out here, guys. Comment below what you guys would have done different. And if you guys have any suggestions of what you want us to make completely on the BlackStone, comment below and we'll write them down and we'll do them. And we'll give you a shout out in them too. That's borderline mixed up. Ooh, doggy, check that out, guys. Now we're gonna have Dakota, my daughter, do a little taste test. Guys, I'm having trouble filming and grabbing some noodles. Let's get some of that action, baby. There you go. Is that good? Hey, well, just a thumbs up. You can't be like, hot doggy, that was some good old mac and cheese, boy. Yeah. All right. Little man, Ryder, wants a bite as well. Nope, 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 nope. Okay, here you go, here you go. Oh, and my youngest, Miss Kaylee May. Careful. I can't exactly tell where I'm going. Is it good? Yeah.